I completed my day 4 as well. I think by far this is the best day. My total working duration was 29 minutes 10 seconds. You can add some milliseconds too. I love that. This complete ground, 5 round of this complete ground, and again stretches 10 run in the length of this pitch. The weather is good in Bangalore. The weather is like it's raining every day nowadays. Thank God it is not raining in the morning, otherwise my streak will be breaked. Anyways, I'll see what I can do if that day come. So what I increased by yesterday is one more lap and one more minute. Not completely one more lap. It's like half, or you can say one third more. So yeah, it took me some time, and during my stretching I increased some duration of reps. Finally, my JavaScript progression, it's going well. I've completed that first part, which was up to iterations. Initially I know about for loop, while loop, do while loop, and I just heard about for in loop, for off loop, for each loops, but now I got the point how to execute them. Apart from that, I've learned about filters, maps, reduce, and they're all functionalities. In early morning I started with document object model manipulation, DOM manipulation, and learned so many things, especially what I was missing that when sir was teaching, Hitesh sir was teaching. So he executes it so many functions in a console. You know, when we go to the site, we just right click on that site, and the last option we will get, it's inspect window. There one will be the code window, source window, and one is console window. In that console window we can write some stuff, and we can see what can we manipulate and how it can be manipulated there. Although it will not executed in real file, it will be changed for a moment. Once we refresh the file, it will get back to its normal form again, but we can do that. As of now I am learning, that's why. So I'll see what all method he teaches today, and I'll make a proper note for that. Again, I am maintaining that repository section, so it will be a valuable addition. DOM, I think today only I'll try to learn as much as possible. Early morning, now it's continuously 4 days, so slowly it will become my habit. Right now I still need alarm to wake myself up at 4 o'clock. I just delay it for 5 or 10 minutes also. Okay, I'll see what I can do better. Again, this 1 liter of water. Thank you.